Hello. Thank you for your interest in DNR's Youth Education and Land Mapping tool, otherwise known as YELM. This video will discuss how to use YELM to support outdoor education. If you are not familiar with GIS, we suggest watching our video on the basics of the YELM tool first. YELM was designed to support K-12 teachers and students in accessing public land for outdoor education and teaching about land management. To use the tool to identify opportunities for outdoor education, we suggest using the DNR layers first. Lands managed by the Washington Department of Natural Resources, or DNR, are shown on the map in green when you launch it. All of these lands are public lands managed by the state, but not all of them are publicly accessible. So I'm just zooming in a little bit here so you can see all of those green, what are called polygons. Those are all DNR managed land. Visitors can access DNR managed land at one of our recreation sites, marked on the map in brown boxes. These recreation sites are also displayed in the panel on the bottom left of the screen as you navigate around the map. Clicking on either the name of the location in the bottom left panel or a brown box on the map will pull up a pop-up screen with a description of their location and an overview of what you can do there. To learn more, click on the linked DNR website. Recreation sites can also be filtered using the funnel icon in the bottom left-hand panel. You can filter by whether the site allows day use, has a bathroom, and has access for winter recreation. We hope to add additional filters soon, including whether the site is large enough for a bus. These DNR-managed recreation sites are great locations to consider for outdoor education. Groups of over 25 require a permit, so please reach out to the Youth Education and Outreach Program at YEOP@dnr.wa.gov to plan your trip. If you do not see a suitable DNR-managed recreation site for outdoor education, you can consider using the public lands layers to look for other land managers who may have public access. There is a federal lands layer and then a public lands inventory layer, and clicking on the legend icon will allow you to identify who is the land manager. All of the state parks, marked in this bright green color, will have public access. Many of the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife sites will have public access, and then there will be federal access as well. For more information or questions, please contact the Youth Education and Outreach Program at YEOP@dnr.wa.gov.